Hello students, I am Priyanka from Sandpoint Classes Belgaum. So I keep on updating about the PWD information with you people. So as you knew earlier, as per the notification, today, that is 17th August 2020, the form filling of the PWD will start. So as mentioned, so today they have updated the link in the KPSC website. So form fill ಮಾಡೋದು link they have updated. So the students who are eligible for this, you can start filling. So the positions are for AE and JE both. Okay, so ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನೇನು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, all your degree certificates, marks card, caste category, Kannada medium, then PDP, so rural, so all the certificates you need to have and you upload that, and you are given 1 month time, that is till 16th September you can fill the form, and for making the fee payment 2 more days extra they have given, that is 18th September 2020. So ಇಷ್ಟೊಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು form filling you have to complete it. Okay, so this is the update. So whoever are eligible, you can start filling from today. And as I mentioned earlier, the students who have already filled the form last year for this PWD exam, no need to make the payment, you can see the reference. Okay, and how to fill the form, what are the documents needed and all, I had already made a video on this for HK notification, that is for Hyderabad, Karnataka. So you can click the I button here and you will get the procedure. So it is very simple procedure. What important thing is, you need to have the documents. So ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದರದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ, then it will be easy for you to fill the form. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನು why I am making the video is, ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಮೇಡಮ್ they will not start the application. So ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗಂತೀರಂದ್ರೆ you will take the decision by your own only. It is not like that. See, we have got the application and earlier students were saying, ma'am, they will not notify, everything is happening stage wise, then exam will also happen. So as per the new syllabus only, whatever the notification has come, the subjects are there, that is highway engineering, advanced structure, then bridge, construction technology, management and environmental engineering. So these subjects are there for AE, and building materials, surveying, SOM, then estimation, then one more subject is RCC, steel. So all these subjects are there for JE. Okay, so if you people are eligible for both AE and JE, then study both the subjects without fail, and along with this you concentrate for general studies as well, because it has equal weightage in the paper. Okay, so now some of the final year students, like whose exam apart from autonomous, because autonomous students have already completed their engineering, but the VTU students who are having the scheduled exams from 25th, 26th, 27th ಏನೋ ಐತಿ. So today, and they were having doubt ki madam whether we will be eligible or something. So today morning I had a word with VTU VC also, and I requested him, sir, at least like you try extending the date of the KPSC, or try getting the results for the students as early as possible. He told me that we have already written a letter for KPSC, we will try our best, whichever is best possible, that will be done. Okay, so as I told you, I am here just to inform the message, whatever the message I have to convey for the students, I am doing that. But ಅದು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so I am trying from my end whatever is best possible way for the students, because see, within you will miss this great opportunity within just 15 days. So let's not lose this opportunity. So this is about final year. And one more, now as I told you, we are taking online classes, so good number of students have registered and they are studying also technical and general studies. Now I will be discussing about few questions what the students will ask me, because almost 99% of the queries about the classes I only receive the queries. So when they call me, the first question will be like, whether you cover the new syllabus or old syllabus. See, the fees for new syllabus, for old syllabus is different, because old syllabus is completely KPSC, many subjects are there. So that fees is different, this fees is different, AE is different, JE is different. So which one you want, we will be teaching those subjects and we are charging for those subjects only. So holle mulle don't ask us 10 times ki ma'am whether new syllabus or old syllabus. If you tell, ma'am I want to register for PWD 2020 AE exams, mugito, fees is this much, if you feel like worth, then pay the fees, join the classes, illandra bitte bedri. So this is what the most regular questions what the students will ask. The other set of the students will ask, ma'am am I too late? ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಅನ್ನಕತ್ತಾರ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮೆಟ್ರೋಸ್, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೌ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಒನ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಫುಲ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸಿ ನಮಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. Okay, so do not panic. See everyone, whatever the subjects are there, you need to do systematic study. Okay, do not go with the random study, one chapter of highway engineering, one chapter of environment, ಆ type ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Do with the systematic study, you will definitely do well in this. And whatever we are teaching technical, we will take 100% responsibility of what we are teaching. Okay, so almost all the questions, like if you complete our entire SOM lecture, we have taught SOM very much in depth. So the students who have taken, they are calling us and giving very good feedback. Ma'am, this type of SOM I had ever studied. Okay, but some students say that we are finding difficult. But the reason why we have taught SOM in depth is, you have got 33 marks from SOM in last year PWD. So without SOM paper, you cannot qualify this paper without SOM questions. Okay, without studying SOM. So that is why we have taught in depth. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಾರು, ಬರೀ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ವೇಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ. ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ, ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಲೆಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಯು ಟೀಚ್ ಸರ್ಫಿಷಿಯಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್. ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ some shortcuts like PDF of some 10-15 pages, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತನ್ರಿ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತನ್ರಿ. Do not do like this, because this is your career, this is your future. Many students, they call me, they are into different groups and they are hunting for the notes. Okay, and they says that, ma'am, I am not having time to go for online classes, because we provide pre-recorded classes only. We are not taking live class because of internet issues, time wastage and all. We are providing pre-recorded. If you study half an hour of the lecture in our videos, that half an hour is of 1 hour in the classroom teaching, more than 1 hour. So now our time, we have utilized the time without compromising in the quality and quantity of the teaching. So if you feel worth, then do it. So confusion ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ confusion create ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. And some students, they attend the demo of the other institutes and they say it is like this, it is like that. So when you are talking to someone, at least to know the person to whom you are talking. Okay, so ನೀವು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮನಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ರೀಸನೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್. ಐ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅವರ್ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್ವರ್, ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯು. Okay, so that is why we are taking the fees, and that fees is reasonable. That is just 10 days of your AE salary. ನೀವೇನು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಜಾಬ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 10 days ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಫೀಸ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಸಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್, you see all the video lectures are available in the YouTube. If you feel like the quality is good, then register. If you feel like no, it is not worth, then don't register. At least study by your own. Don't keep thinking. Na edike idna helakatane andra, some students told me that, ma'am, once the application date start, the same day I will register. See, yaak idu wait madodu? One or the other day, one or the other exams will be there, right? And we are giving video lectures validity for 1 year. We know there will be little postponement in the exams, whatever it is. So considering the present scenario only, we are giving 1 year validity. So e type think madri. Okay, so this is the next point. One more point what I would like to discuss is, they will call us and they will say, ma'am, why should I join your institute? See, when you have called us, ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿನ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರ, ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಫಾದರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಂಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀ, ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಸಮ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್, ರೈಟ್? ಗೂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದರ್, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ದರ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ದರ್. ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್, get the information. Do not ask us. See, when it is my institute, I will tell, yes, my video lectures are the best. I always say like that, and if you do, you will also say the same thing. So do some research before asking such questions to us. Okay na? So this is the next. And when I tell you Google reviews are there, you can check, they are given by our classroom students only. No, apart from that, what you have? Apart from that, yen bek nimaga come to. And last, for HK notification, the same thing happened. one of the student, he came from Raichur to see our institute here in Belgaum, whether the institute is there or whether they are providing online classes. See, our institute is here. We are training for GATE and PWD, RRB, SSC, JEE, all the exams for civil and mechanical engineering completely. Any exam you say for civil and mechanical, ours is Classroom Coaching Institute. So ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು necessary ಇಲ್ಲ. Don't get scared of anything. You can, some of your friends might have registered our course. You can ask them within payment within some time. I will provide the login credentials for them. Whatever doubts they are having, whatever like some technical issues they are having, we try answering within short time. Okay, so ನೀವು ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಕಿ ವೈ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್. ನಮಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಸ್, and they will ask me like, ma'am, whether do you teach? Yes, I am M.Tech in highway from NITK Surathkal. I also handle some subjects here. Okay, so ಏನು ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಜಾಯ್ನ್, ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಒಂದಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ನ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿದ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಅದು ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರು, ಅದು ಅಕ್ಕೈತಿ. ಅದು ಮುಗಿದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರು, ಅದು ಅಕ್ಕೈತಿ. ಸಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತತನ ಈಗೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯು. ನೀವು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಆಕೈತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. Okay, so if you need any information about anything and whatever the updates are there, I keep on updating that. Okay, thank you. All the best.